Some days, your body just says stop. Last Tuesday was that day for me. I want to tell you about it. It started like a normal morning. My alarm rang at 6. Like always. But something felt different. My head was heavy. My throat was dry and sore. And my body felt cold. Then hot. Then cold again. I sat on my bed for a long time. I said to myself, maybe it's nothing. Maybe I just need coffee. So I walked to the kitchen. Very slowly. I made my coffee, like every morning. But this time, it didn't taste good. That was strange. Coffee always tastes good to me. Then I knew it. I was sick. Here on Slow English Listening, I usually tell you happy stories. But today, I want to share a sick day. Because everyone has days like this. First, I took my temperature. It was 38 degrees. I had a fever. My nose was blocked, and I started to cough. I caught a cold, a strong one. So I sent a message to my school. I said, I'm sorry, I can't teach today. Then I went back to bed. I drank a big glass of warm water. I put on warm clothes and a thick blanket. And I slept for 3 more hours. When I woke up, it was almost noon. I was hungry, but only a little. So I made some simple soup. Just rice, water, and a little salt. It was warm and soft. Perfect for a sick day. In the afternoon, my mom called me. She heard my voice and said, "You sound sick." Moms always know. She told me to rest and drink warm water. We talked for a few minutes. And honestly, her voice made me feel a little better. But later, my fever got worse. So I went to see a doctor. The clinic was quiet and clean. The doctor was very kind. She checked my throat. She listened to my breathing. Then she smiled and said, "Don't worry. It's just a cold. Rest, drink water, and take this medicine." I felt better just hearing that. Sometimes, kind words are also medicine. That evening, I stayed in bed. I watched a little television. I drank warm tea with honey. And I went to sleep very early. The next morning, I opened my eyes slowly. Something was different again. But this time, in a good way. My head was lighter. My throat was softer. The fever was gone. I was getting better. After 2 more days, I was healthy again. I could teach, walk, and laugh like before. And you know, that sick day taught me something. When I'm healthy, I forget about my body. I work, I run, I stay up late. But when I'm sick, I remember. Health is quiet, but it's everything. Now I try to take care of myself a little more. I sleep earlier. I drink more water. And when my body says rest, I listen. So, that was my story about feeling sick. A hard day, but a good lesson. I hope you never catch a cold. But if you do, please rest well and get better soon. And if you enjoy learning English with slow, easy stories, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it really helps me keep going. And if you like this story, watch my story about a happy day next. We'll talk again soon, in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.